Welcome to week 4. We are making a transition today from all of the technical aspects of research into looking at computer research and internet research, which is the way we do majority of our research in the legal field today. There are different programs like Decisis and CourtNet and FindLaw that you can use when you're doing legal research. In Kentucky, the Kentucky Bar Association provides a free Decisis account, and that's what most of us use when we're pulling up cases. We also electronically file in Kentucky now, so all of the documents that we're filing are done through CourtNet, so we do our research there going back through the court cases rather than using so much paper. But it's good to have those fundamentals to understand the secondary sources and sources that you're getting outside of your jurisdiction before you switch over to looking at how it's done on the computer and with the internet. There is always a chance that a paralegal will be working in a firm that does not have as much technology and that does rely more on the old school ways of research. So it's really good to have a foundation in that before switching over. There are 2 videos here, one on using free internet research sites and the other on writing basics. We are switching over this week into the writing component of this class. This is the midterm week, so we're halfway finished with the course, and the second half of this course runs very differently than the first. It's a lot more writing, a lot more formulaic, stylizing the writing. So I think you all are really going to enjoy the next 4 weeks and the transition we're making now. After you review the PowerPoint, the 2 videos, and then there are 2 shorter videos on YouTube on structuring legal writing that I've included. You have a quiz and the midterm exam. I will be inputting midterm grades for this course on Friday, so if you want these to count in your midterm grade, get those completed before Friday around noon. I will be putting these in right after 12 o'clock on Friday. If you don't have one done by Friday, that's fine. They're not due until Sunday night. It'll just, if you want them in your midterm grade, please get them in Friday by noon. Otherwise, the due date is Sunday at 11:59. Please email me if you'd like to have a virtual office hour or in-person office hour. I'm happy to meet with you all. The one thing I'm noticing on the quizzes when I go in and look at the diagnostics, the majority of this class is not reading the textbook. If you're not reading the textbook, you're not going to be able to perform as well on the quizzes because it is such technical information. I took out the discussion post in the first part of this so that you all would have more time to do that reading. I strongly encourage you to be working with that as we're going through, especially if there's an area that you did not do as well in the first 3 weeks. It's a good idea to go back and review that so that you'll have that knowledge. If you have any questions, please email me.